everybody, how are you doing? We're starting off at Hollywood Studios, and then as the title you can see, we are park hopping, hotel hopping.
Come here first. It's absolutely scorching today. It's just delicious.
We wanted to come for two things. Firstly, because we always want to walk in the park and have a look at new merch, and the second one was because they had a sneak peek for Lightyear, which was so cool.
So good to watch. I don't really like watching trailers, so I like to be surprised.
It wasn't really a trailer. It's kind of 15 minutes of the film.
True. But that's what I'm saying, I don't really like to do that. I like to just watch them for what it is. But yeah, it was really good, wasn't it?
That's super cool. And it opens in 2 weeks, 2 and a bit weeks.
So we're going to catch the bus and go to our first hotel. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, notification bell. I think we're getting to Starbucks. No, we're going in a shop.
Oh, the air conditioning is delicious. I thought they had your shirts in there. How much it is?
So we'll just move it along. I would be buying lots if that was full.
Right. We're going to get Starbucks and get a matcha. Smells good.
Garlic.
It's nice and quiet, and the time is 1 o'clock. Come in here in a few hours, it'll be manic.
Starbucks story for you. The other day we were in Starbucks. It charged us
$8.60 for a vanilla cold latte with almond milk.
because we asked for no ice, and you have to put in more product. But $8 for
That was invented. Everywhere else is $6. $8.60.
Comment down below if you would have paid that. They should have just said, look, you know it's going to be more money if you have no ice. You know us with Starbucks.
No, it's just
Obsessed.
it's what it is.
Near that.
Oh, you really?
Right, so we're number 12. So we are down here. Missed that one. Get the next one. We're going to go to Old Key West first, and then we'll do Coronado Springs. So we got dropped off at the Peninsula, which is just opposite this area over here. This is where we're going to walk to. Yay! We're going to get a boat down to Disney Springs. There's a launch area just over there. How exciting, near Olivia's, which I've heard really good reviews about.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got a picture of the running trail. We've got a couple of games that you can play just out here.
Very cool.
It's the ferry. Wow, look how pretty that is. How pretty is that?
Do a photo.
Thanks, babe. That's good. And you've got all your usual bits. Love their H2O products. We go through here is to Olivia's. Oh, look at all the lovely pictures. Ah, lovely. Cute check-in area. Bell services. Ooh, look at those chandeliers. Wow. Oh, it smells amazing. This is how you probably have your house decorated if you lived out here. Those chandeliers. Living my dream.
Magic. A lot less work.
Yeah, love that. This is the entrance. The bell service is on the right, reception up on the right. The store was on the left, Olivia's was on the left. So pretty. You like it here?
It's nice, but it's pretty, right?
Looks like the laundrette's down this end then. Oh, this is a cute little area to sit out to though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why?
That t-shirt was the bar.
Ah. So you've got sandwiches start from $10.99, a burger, cheeseburger is $11.49. You've got children, power pack $6.99. You can hire some bikes. Oh, and you can hire little bikes as well. Here to the right is the pool, and then you've got tennis courts to the left. Shuffleboard. Sand pit area to play in. It's got quite a nice children's area and feel to it. And you've got some hammocks that you can just chillax on down here in the shade. Play chess as well. And drafts. Checkers. The facilities here, there's 4 pools. There is a gym, which is awesome if you want a gym, because some of the hotels, like the Art of Animation and things like that, don't have gyms.
I think it's everything but the deluxe resorts that don't have gyms.
Obviously tennis, volleyball, free Wi-Fi, 15 minutes for the boat. That's quite good fun. So we're just gonna, it did, apart from the music, just hear the music. So off to Disney Springs.
Yeah, that's warm.
It is warm. Oh, it's hot. Imagine. Later on in the year, it's going to be even scorching. Yes. Time, how long it takes to get from Key West to Disney Springs.
lovely smell.
We've all got exactly the same smell.
Coronado. We made it over to here. Oh wow, the beautiful it's quite nice.
Looks nice that way.
It is a convention centre, but it's also a hotel, and in the UK it's actually quite reasonably priced. We've got a bar down here, we've got seating area. So we've got cabanas, pools, lunches. Oh, here is a little map over here. So this is where we checked in. Well, we didn't check in, but that's where we came in. We're going up to the pool area. Oof. Wow, that heat. So cabanas, the dig site. So up this way, darling, here's the cabanas. Wow. This is huge. Play a little football. Oh, it's pool. Pool with your feet. So they've got drafts, checkers and chess. Oh, you've got an area over there as well.
But to be honest, this has got to a point where I thought that we're doing maintenance on the pool. So we don't need the pool for this.
Okay. It's pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, I can't wait.
On this side we have one of the pools. It's definitely not like the Key West where we've just come from, which is very child friendly, kiddie pools. Well, not that we found a kiddie pool yet, but this is very more adults only, chillaxing area. We'll see what the sign up here says. That's pool, laundry, bus stop, cabanas, 8A, 8B, 8C seem to be closest to the main entrance lobby where you just came in. Dig site. Oh, here you go. Pool, bar and arcade. So maybe that's where the kiddies are. Let's go and have a look. View of the hotel. So the dig site where we're walking to, it's got the Lost City of Cibola Pool, Iguana Arcade, Explorers Playground and Volleyball Court. That's where we're heading towards. 1819 here. I like the fact that it's playing music all the way around there. Yeah, and this one over to the left. So this is the dig. Children's pool, Jaguar slide, the ruins. Ooh, sounds great for kids. Hello, squirrel. Wow. The thing we haven't found yet is a shop, the souvenir shop. So over to the right is the convention centre. All over to the right. If you've stayed here, leave some comments down below. Let us know if you enjoyed it, if it feels too big, if it's cosy, not cosy. Some people on the transport on the way here were complaining about this resort. So I'd like to hear how you think. your experience and stay corridor, air conditioned. Wow. These are good, like if you're working or you want to charge up. Not working, but charge up. Reminds me a little bit of Gaylord. You've got buggies for sale in this one. Look at these. What's the jumper? Well, no. Look at this. Remember me. And it goes with those pants. How cute is that? I love coming into these hotels and you see different outfits that you've not seen in any of the other hotels. What's that, babes? An ornament. Seen these. Still think JP should get that shirt.
Move along. Move along. Nothing to see.
Tell you what, it is beautifully cool in here. Look at the little swimsuits. And the little trousers. Shop, which is awesome. Loads of good stuff in here. And then next to the shop, oh, there's like a little takeout, but that's not open this morning or this afternoon. It's 4 o'clock now. It did pop up here about food and restaurants. Do you know what the prices? Oh, really? Oh, how cool is that? So you just scan that when you arrive. Nice juicy burger for JP. Cafe Ritz Dine-In availability. Maya Grill. Oh, look at the little cupcakes and patisseries. I wonder why it's shut. Maybe it's just open in the mornings. Unless there's something down here that's open all day that you just grab and go. Oh yeah. Look at the size of that convention centre all the way down there. Holy moly. Go in here. Should we go in here and have a look? So this is the Mercado. So this is where, oh okay, here you go. 7 to 11 a.m, lunch 11:30 till 2, dinner 5 to 11, grab and go, soda refills. Behind us the sports bar and grill. Okay, so we're going to come down here and look so you can get some chips and popcorn. The reusable cups are $19.99, which I think they are in everywhere. Coca-Cola, look, they've got these specialty ones, some salads, $12.
12.
So I just said $12.
Sorry.
You got some hams underneath, egg one, pudding, parfait. Parfait is $5.99, chocolate tart $7.50. Oh, how much is the fruit pots? Probably over about $5. This is selection, so you got strawberries, grapes, no prices. And they've got a whole selection of cakes. Oh my goodness. Bar, $5.69. Eating. No eating outside that side. There is eating outside that side. Done on the what's it called?
Coronado Spring.
Thank you. That's us done on the Coronado. I still can't say it. Springs. For me personally, hotel's massive. It's too huge. It's too big for me.
It's just too special.
I mean, obviously, if someone gives me a free vacation here, of course I'll take it. But look at it. It's massive. I think almost everywhere and anywhere in this place. Yeah, so look, came out here. I'm just going to go left, and they're just up ahead. But obviously my mode of transport is the golf buggy. But yeah. Woo. So thanks for watching everybody, and I did just want to say that the time we had to wait for a transportation to take us to Disney Springs, we waited a long time. I think it was something like 30 to 40 minutes, and that was one of the complaints that we had heard from passengers on the bus to the hotel when we were traveling to it. So I'm just showing you there that it was due to come. I think it was due to come at 4 o'clock, and at 20 past 4 we were still waiting. Yeah, it was a long time, and some people were actually getting lifts and Ubers and stuff to take them to where they wanted to go. So just maybe bear that in mind. But thanks for watching. See you next time.